大家好，欢迎你们到 Learn Chinese Niger. Hello everyone, welcome you back to Learn Chinese Niger. Today we are reading sentence 131 in our 900 Chinese sentence challenge. Okay, 131 go like this. 出什么事了？出什么事了？ Which means what happened? What happened? 132 says 我一夜没睡。我一夜没睡。我一夜没睡 which means I didn't sleep yesterday night. Then the next one, 133, 我女朋友跟我分手了。我女朋友跟我分手了。我女朋友跟我分手了 which means my girlfriend broke up with me. So 分手 is to break up. To break up with whether your boyfriend or your girlfriend. So 我女朋友 is a girlfriend. 我女朋友跟我分手了。My girlfriend with me broke up. So I broke up with my girlfriend. Okay, so 134 say 真没想到 which means I really hadn't thought of that or I didn't think of it. Okay, then 135我真的很爱他which means I really love her. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. 再见。